Guess what time of year it is? I've got my propane grill lit today. I've got an ice chest over here with a bag in it. Did you figure it out? Doot, 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 doot. New Mexico True Fresh Green Chiles. Hatch Green Chiles. Look at this. Oh yeah. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Alright, it's time to roast these bad boys up. There you go. The roast has begun. Oh yeah. You should smell the air. These smell amazing. That's right, it's chili season in New Mexico. Roasting them on the grill, you get them to the way you like them and not spun in one of those barrels. Oh, you just pull up a chair, grab a cold one, go at it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. See you on the next video.